Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hejin Lee with a quick update for Ontology. I am going to present charts for both the Ontology BTC and the USD pair. So here we have 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the requisite correction of the ABC is in progress. Tempting as it might have been to think that this was the bottom and we got an impulse 1 and working on impulse 2, wave 2 of the impulse, I don't think that's going to be it. It's possible, especially if price stays above 0.00196. And if that level is not breached, it can be wave 2. So we can have a wave 1, 2, and 3 up. But given how vertically falling Bitcoin had been, likely in its wave 3, Ontology is likely to follow Bitcoin. Thereby, I don't think this is the end of the correction right here. I think this is a wave A, very clear 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, 3-wave swing, with the C being the shortest and A being extended, which is perfectly fine. And then that marked a B wave. And the C wave decline will mean that there is a much higher probability for this to be breached to the downside for a new low. The lower low for C is required, lower than the end of A. And the impulse is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, there is also potential that this 5 could go and generate a new all-time low. Okay? But for now, because the distance from where it is right now to a new all-time low is pretty far, and the fact that we have 1, 2, and 3 is almost done. I don't think the 3 is done yet. I think 3 will go below the A, 4 and 5. So this blue circle is showing still, regardless, that the price movement is at the terminal phase of this ABC structure. Now the dollar, the USD pair, shows that a new all-time low has been generated. So we're saying A, B, C. So starting from here, we can have an A, B, C. And yes, the Bitcoin pair can, like I said earlier, can generate a new all-time low and follow the pathway of the USD pair. Absolutely, we know that. This triangle clearly did not hold, and if we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the black 5s, then they will be the subwaves of the blue C. The blue circle here outlines that there will be further downside to go. But it's not as if this is at the beginning of the correction, no, at the mid stage of the correction. This is at the terminal phase of the correction. So what does that mean? If you've been hanging on, if you bought in at the top of B, and if you've been hanging on right now is not the time to be selling. Now is not the time to be selling. In fact, if you have cash at hand, I would be a structured buyer using a laddered system. So this 3, 4, and 5, once complete, it should peg the bottom and allow the resumption of the original uptrend to continue. All right, that's it. A very quick update for Ontology. I'll be putting in some very quick updates on individual coins like this on a video. Many of these are daily shared on the Bitcoin Live site. The address is bitcoin.live, and the address is also listed as a link in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this will be helpful. More to come.